Hey friends, if you encounter the issue with Windows Defender with the error, the thread service has stopped in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to start or restart the Windows Security Service. So search for services, open services, scroll down to the Windows Security Service. Okay, Windows Security Service. Right click on it, and then if you have an option to start or restart it, then please do the needful. Now I don't have that option because that is not supposed to be given to me, but yes, a lot of third party software products can impact it, especially third party antivirus products. So I will suggest a clean boot to isolate the case. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And this should fix the problem. The last solution is a cloud reset. Obviously, if everything else fails, you have uninstalled third-party software products, you have rebooted your system in the clean boot state, and the security service is started, then the best option will be a cloud reset. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, and then select reset PC, select remove everything, and then finally select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.